morning everyone. Welcome to online classes GK Arvind. Today start our video sessions. Today's topic is comparing quantities. We can compare the all quantities. Okay. In before class you learn about the percentage. Okay. Now and ratio. Percentage ratio you already know about it. Now our topic is what? Comparing quantities. Okay. Topic is what? Comparing quantities. In before class you learn about the percentage. Percentage, what is the percentage? Okay, percentage word is derived from percentum. Percentum means per 100. Okay, it is what percentage. Then percentage word is derived from which words? Percentum. Percentum means what? Per out of 100. Suppose we write here 1%. Okay, 1% means what? 1% means 1 by 100. That means percentum means out of 100. Okay, or out of 100. Before class we learn it the percentage. Now we find out the what? Simple uses of percentage. How we use simple uses in your day-to-day life. So when you go to the shops or markets, then you show the notice board in each shop. In the 10% discount, 5% discount, all these things written in the show. Why they write that one? Because they attract their consumer to buy the things. That's why they give percentage discount. Today we discuss about these things. Okay. Now first we learn what? Simple percentage. What is simple percentage? See. First we learn simple percentage. Okay. Simply percentage was when let's 10% of example. Okay. Simple. 10% of 700. 10% of 700. That means what? Percent is what? Out of 100. Out of 1% is what? 100. 10% is what? 10 by 100. Simply, if you go anywhere, then discount 10%. Then how it is to find out the discount? See, they have 10% of 700. Okay, 10% of 700. That means what? Here 10% means what? We know 10 by 100. Okay, 10% means 10 by 100. What means what? We know the Demas rule and BODMAS rule. That is of means here we use multiplication of 700. Okay, clear? Now you find the answer. Now 10%. See, 10% means what? 10 by 100. Of 7 of means what? Multiplication into, that means into or multiplication both are same things. Then into, that means 100 700. So we can reduce it. We can reduce the numbers. If the denominators is 0 is 2 0 is there, here also 2 0 is there. Okay, then we can what? 0 and 0 cancel. 0 and 0 cancel. Okay, now whatever the left is what? 10 into 7. 10 into 70. Sorry, 10 into 7 by 1 is there. If you divide by any number by 1, the same number is there. Here 70 by 1 equal to what? 70. Then what is 10% of 700? 10% of 700. What is what? 70. How we find here 10%? That means 10 by 100. I told you 10% of 10 by 100 of means into multiply 7. 0 cancel with 0. 2 0 cancel with 2 0. Now we multiply the both things 70 and 10. 70 and 10 multiply. Then 7 plus 70. Then we find out the 10% of a numbers. Now we will take another example. Okay. Take another examples. First words. Suppose examples 2. Okay. If we find out the 25% of 250 kg. 25% of 250 kg. Comparing quantities means what? We can find any quantities, that means kg, kilogram, milligram, meter, centimeter. All these things we can find using the percentage. Okay. So now find out 25% of 250 kg. So here 25 percent is what? 25 by 100 is there. Okay, 25 by 100 is there into what means into I told you first 250 what 250 because here our question is asked about the what 25% of 250 kg. Now see here what 0 1 0 is cancelled and that 0 is cancelled. But now see we know the divisible rule of what 5, then we can divide it by the 5. See 5 5 ja what 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja what 10. Okay, understood how you reduce the number is divisible, you can divide also go denominator numerator also denominator numerator. Okay, then 5 5 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10. Now let's start 25. Okay, into what is there 5 5 by 2, 25 into 5 by 2. 25 5 is how much? 25 1 is 25 2 is 50, 75, 100, 125 is there. So 125 by 2. Now it is not a what fraction number is there, then you can change into the decimal numbers. Okay, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 1 2 5 is 10. See, that is 62.5 is the 25% of 200 what 50 kg. How you find it you know, but see the boards how you find divide and find the answer. See, you write here 125 to the table 2 6 the 12 is there. Now 2 2 cancel, 1 1 cancel, get down 5, 2 2 ja 4 minus 1. Okay, 1 is there, then 2 is not divisible by 1. Okay, so here we put decimal point and put 0. Keep in your mind, if you put 1 0 decimal instead of 0, then 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10, 10 cancel, then we find the answer like this. Okay, now we take another example. Now here we find the value of unknown numbers. The unknown number means yes, find x. The value of x is not given here. How we find using the percentage 23% of x is 69. Then what is the number x? Then we don't know. How can you find c here? 1% means you know 1 by 100. Here's the solution. How you find the answer? 23% of x equal to 69. Already you know. That means 23% is what? 23 by 100 is there. Of means into equal to 100 equal to 69 is there. Okay. Here 23% means 23 by 100 of means multiply x then 69. 69 is there. Now we 23 into x. 23x is here. 100 is divided in the left side. It's transposed on right sides. Then the sign will be changed. Divide is changed into multiplication. Okay. 69 into 100. Okay. Now 23x here. 23x means what? 23 into x is here, 23 into x. So x is here multiply and it will be transposed to right sides. Then it change into what? Divides. Okay. Then x equal to 69 into 100 by 23. You can find 23. Now you know the table of 23. 23 3 is 69 is there. 23 1 is 23. 23 is 69. X equal to 3 into 100. 300. Then the value of x is what? Value of x is what? 300. Clear how you find? Now you can verify it. Our answer is correct or not? LHS into RHS. What is the question is there? 23% x is 69. Then how you find here 23% of 69? So we can verify answer is correct or not. So x equal to what? 100. Then 100 into x equal to 300 is there, not 100, 300. So 23 by 100 into x equal to what? 69. If LHS equal to RHS comes equals, then our answer is correct. So we verify it again. X equal to what? 23 by 100 into value of x is what here? We find it 300. Okay. Then you write here 300 equal to 69. Okay, 1 0 cancel, 1 0 cancel, another 2 0 cancel, and 0 will cancel. Here multiply 23 into 3 equal to 69. Here 9 69 69. Here verify. Okay, then our answer is what? Correct. We can check yourself. No need to ask anyone. You can check yourself. If you find HS equal to RHS, your answer is correct or not. You know it properly. Okay. How you find the value of x? The unknown number is given. Then you can find the value of x using this process. Okay. Now we will take another example. So I hope all of you learn properly how you find the value of x, how you find the percentage in simple percentage. Now we discuss about the discounts. When we go any shops, any malls, in a markets, you see in every markets the poster will be hanging there. What's 10% discount, 50% discounts. Now we discuss about that discounts. What is the discounts? Discounts means what? The given price. Suppose a book cost is 100 rupees. Okay, and 10% discount means what? 10% means what? Out of 100, 10%. If we got 10%, then the book cost is what? 90 rupees. Easily we can take hundreds and find the answer. Now we discuss about the what? Discount. What? Discount. What is discount? Discount means what? If we got some profits to buy some things, that is called discounts. Okay. Discounts. Suppose here sale price. Okay. Sale price equal to what? Mark price minus discount. Minus discount. Okay. The sale price equal to what? Mark price minus discount. It is for the what something purchase. Then how much you give? If suppose mark price is 100 rupees. Here mark price and discount is what? 20. Then what is sale price? How we do? But mark price minus discount, mark price minus discount, 100 minus 20 equal to 80. Sale price is 80. Okay, then we can easily find it. If the discount is percentage, okay, then discount percent. What? Discount percent. If question is here, suppose 10% discount, 20% discount, 50% discounts, you see it everywhere, then what you write here? Discount. Discount by what? We got discount from which price? Sale price or mark price? Mark price. So you write here mark price. Okay. Into 100. Because the discount is gives only from the words. Hundreds, not less than 100 or more than 100. Always percentage means what? 1 by 100, then discounts given the out of 100. Out of 100. Now we take an examples how you find the discounts percent. Okay, see. Question is there. We discuss about the what? Discount. A shop gives 20% discount. How much discounts? 20% discount. And find sale price. We want to find sale price. But is what we want to do here? Why we want to here finding which one? Sale price. Okay. Then address mark at rupees 120. Then 20% discount is there. Then one solution. We know that what? Sale price equal to what? Sale price equal to what? Sale price. Sale price equal to mark price minus discount of rupees 120. Okay. Here what is there? Rupees is at 120 and 20% discount is there. Okay. So we can easily find the answer. How can easily find the answer? Okay. Now mark price is given here. Discount is here of how much rupees? 120 rupees. We know the formula here. What is your mark price? Mark price 120. Then you write here 120 discount. Discount is there. 20% discount is there. Now 20% discount. That means right here 20% of 120. 120 is there. Now you know that 120. 20% is what? 20 out of 100. Of means what? Multiply, and 120 is here. Okay. Now we can find the answer is easy. Now let's see here. 1 can 0 cancel. 0 cancel. 1 cancel. 1 cancel. Okay, see here 120 minus 20% of 70, 120. Now we put the 120, 20%. 20% is what? 20 by 100. Of means multiply, we put 120 there. Now 0 is cancelled with 0, then 0 is cancelled with 0. Now we multiply two numbers. So first 120 minus 20. What is there? 24. Now 120 minus 24 equal to what? 10 minus 4 equal to what? 6 is there. 11 minus 96. And what is the sell price of the dress? Sell price of the dress is what? 96 rupees. Sell price of dress is what? 96 rupees. Now we find the another solution. Okay. First, a pair of shoe. A pair of shoe marked what? So 750. Then we want to find the sell price. Okay. Price. Sell price equal to mark price minus discount of 750. 750 rupees 750. Okay. Now what is mark price? Mark price is here what? 750. So we write here 750. Discount is what? 20% minus 20% of 750. Next 750 minus. Okay. 20% is what? 20 by 100. Of means what? Multiply 750. Okay. Now 0 is cancelled. 0 is cancelled. Here 0 is also cancelled. 0 is cancelled. 750 minus 75 into 2. 750 minus 150. The sell price equal to what? 0, 0, 6. Then the sell price of is what? 600. Okay. How you find if any shopkeepers gives you discounts, then what is the sell price? Then how much you give the shopkeepers and purchase the things, you can easily find the process using, because it is very important in your day-to-day life, because you go everywhere and everywhere what the shopkeepers everyone what sells their things to at a discounts to what attract their consumers. Okay. Now we discuss another example. Now we have question is what? An item marked rupees 15,000. Any items that mark is what? Mark price is what? 15,000 and is available for 14,000. That means what? The mark price is what? 15,000 and available. You purchase, it's what is 14,000. Then find the discount, also discount price. Then here two questions first. First we write here mark price. 15,000 available. That means it is sale price. Sale price 15,000. We know that. What is the discount? Discount means what? Mark price minus sell price equal to discount. And first question asks about the what? Discount. Find the discount. So the discount equal to what? Mark price minus sale price. Mark price is what? 15,000. Sale price is what? 14,000. 1,000. But discount is what? 1,000. Now question is asked about the discount percentage. Okay. How you find the discount percentage? Already you know the formula of what? The process of find the discount percent. Then D percent. I write it shortly D percent. That means D percent means discount percent. Okay. Now here D discount by mark price. Discount by D by M into 100. Clear? That means discount by mark price. Clear? Okay. D by M. That means D means what? D denoted to the what? Discount. D have what is discount here? 1000 discounts. M denoted which one? This one. Mark price. Okay. Into 1000. Okay. Discount percent here. Discount is here 1000. Mark price is 15,000 into 100. Okay. 0 0 0 cancel. 2 0 0 3 0. 100 by 15% equal to 50 equal to what is discount percent? Discount percent is 6 sold by 3%. How you find the percent is clear? Here D equal to discount, M equal to mark price into 100, 1000 by 15,000 into 100, then 30 cancel 1 to 20, 100 by 15 equal to 6 sold 2 by 3%. Here how you find the discount percent? Now we discuss about the high the tax. That means VAT tax. You learn or here anywhere in your home VAT tax. Okay, now we find out the tax. Okay. Okay, now I discuss about the taxes. Taxes means what? The government, state government, central government, all they take tax for first the goods, things, anything. Okay. Now how you find the taxes value? Okay, taxes means what? The cost of rupees 200 and 200 cost is equal to 200 and tax is 10%. Tax is 10%. Then find the bill amount. Find the billing amount. Billing amount. Then how finds here? Here solution. Okay, this is the question. Solution is there. 200. Okay. The cost is what? 200 and tax is what? Tax added 10%. Tax added. Tax is what? Tax is 10%. So 10% of 200. 10% cost 10 by 100 into 200. Okay. 2020. Then billing amount. Billing amount equal to what? 220 plus 200 plus 20 equal to 220. That means what is the billing amount is what? 220 rupees. If you add the tax, what is the tax of the books? 10%. If you buy anything, then tax is always added to the things and goods. Okay, we will take another example. Here question is that Hamida bought a TV sets for 34,425 rupees. Okay, including a tax of 8%. Tax 8%. Already tax is included in the TV set tax. Then find the price of the TV before the VAT tax. That means we find out here the question is what before VAT tax what is the purchasing price of TV. Then let the price of TV before VAT equal to tax. So what 8% of tax. 8% of x equal to 8 by 100 into x equal to 4 to 8 25. Here 2x by 25. Okay, 2x by 25 now. Now the price of TV purchase. Okay, it is what it is in the tax. Now here price of TV. Equal to x plus 12 by 25. What is going with the evaluate both sides. Price of TV is here, but with the value tax is here. It Okay. Now we can solve it. Here 25 plus x, 25x plus 2x by 25 equal to 34,425. 34,425. Here 27x equal to 34,425. Okay. Into 25 is transfer to the right side, multiply by 25. Here x equal to 34,425 into 25 by 27. We reduce it. Okay. Then what is the answer? Answer of the number is what? We can use this sides. Okay. Value surface is there. Okay. Now we got 31,800 watts. 31,875. 875. Then what is the price of the TV? Is what? 31,875. Okay. Now we discuss about the watts. Now we discuss about the loss and profit, or profit and loss. When we got profits, if we purchase the thing in lower prices and sell in higher price, that then we got the what? Profit. When we purchase a thing in higher prices and sell it in low prices, okay, lower prices. Okay. Now it's about the profit and loss. Profit means what? When we get profits, you suppose a book, okay, a book is rupees 25, okay, what? 25 is what? Cost price. Cost price means what? We buy it, okay, and a book is sell on 35 rupees 35. See, just examples. If we buy a book in 25 rupees and sell in 35 rupees, then here the purchase price is what? 25 and the sell price is what? 35. Then here we got what? Loss or profit. Here we got profit. So what we learn from here? Profit. Profit equal to what? Sale price minus cost price. Okay. Sale price minus cost price. Sale price minus cost price equal to profits. Okay. Now loss. We discuss about the loss. Why it is cost? If cost price is more than what? Sale price. Cost price is more than sale price. Then we got what? Loss. So loss equal to what? Cost price minus sale price. Cost price minus sale price equal to loss. Then how cost price? If cost share here, suppose cost price 200, sale price 180. Okay, then 200 minus 180 equal to 20. Then how much loss here? 20 rupees loss. And how much profit here? 35 minus 35 equal to 10 rupees loss. Okay, how you do you learn properly how you got the loss and how you got the profit. Now also loss percentage is there and profit percentage is there. Now we discuss the profit and loss. Okay. Now we discuss about the loss percentage and profit percentage. First we will discuss about the profit percentage. Then how you got the profit percentage? Profit percentage of formula is what? Profit by CP. CP means cost price into 100 and loss percentage. Loss percentage means what? Loss by CP into 100. So see here, profit percentage means what? Profit by CP into 100. Loss percentage means what? Loss by Cp into loss by Cp into 100. Take one example. Suppose a book cost price is 250 and sell price is 300. Find loss or gain. Then we question is what? A book cost price is what? 250 and sell price is 300. Then here see the question. We know that here cost price is lower than the sell price. If sell price is more than always what here? Gain. Then gain. That means gain means what? Profit. Profit equals to what? Sell price. Sell price minus cost price. Sell price is what here? 300. Cost price is here 250. Equal to 50 is profit. Then profit percentage. Profit percentage means what? We will find out what here. Profit by what? 100. What is profit here? 50 profit. Cp is what here? 250. Okay, into 100. Here 10 cancel, 10 cancel. Here 5 to the 10, 5 to 25, 5 10 is 50, 10 to the 20. Here how many percent we gain here? 20% we can get. Okay. Now all of you understood how you find out loss percent and profit percent easily. We will discuss in next class more about the loss percent and profit percent. Okay.